Kamala's got the spotlight, but she's reading from the page, quoting from Wikipedia like it's all the latest rage. She's got the facts, or so it seems, with no real spin to bring. But plagiarizing history, man, that's a Joe Biden thing. Oh, it sounds like a Joe Biden thing. Borrow lines that just don't sing. She's trying to stand tall, but she's missing the swing. Yeah, copy your words, sounds like a Joe Biden thing. Politicians playing games, man, it's getting kinda old. Lifting lines from places where the truth ain't fully told. She's got the charm, the laugh, the bling, but can't escape the sting of doing what's been done before. It's such a Biden thing. Oh, sounds like a Joe Biden thing. Borrow words with no true ring. She's reading off the script, trying hard to cling, but it all comes down to that Joe Biden thing. From speeches to the headlines, they all say what they please. But when you copy, truth is on its knees. Yeah, it sounds like a Joe Biden thing. Borrow lines that just don't sing. She's walking that road, but we've all heard the ring of repeating the past. It's a Joe Biden thing. Of repeating the past, it's a Joe Biden thing. Kamala, don't you see? We're tired of the same old story, let the truth run free. But that Wikipedia flow you bring sure does sound like a Joe Biden thing. Oh, it sounds like a Joe Biden thing. Oh, we'll borrow words with no true ring. She's fully told. She's got the charm, the laugh, the bling, but can't escape the sting of doing what's been done before. It's such a Biden thing. From speeches to the headlines, they all say what they please. But when you copy, truth is on its knees. Yeah, it sounds like a Joe Biden thing.